In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change character's name on Talkie AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make the change stick without any confusion. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is the quickest way to get to the right place, especially if you don't have the site bookmarked. In the search box, type Talkie AI and press Enter. You're looking for the official Talkie AI website in the results. It should clearly reference Talkie AI and look like the main site, not a forum or article. Click that result to go straight to the homepage. Once you're on the Talkie AI site, find and select the option labeled Create a Talkie. This takes you into the creation and editing area where all your characters are managed. If you're working with an existing character, make sure you select the one you want to rename. You'll typically see your characters displayed so you can quickly pick the one that needs an update. Keep in mind, you'll need access to edit that character, so choose one that's in your library or one you have permission to modify. With the character open, look to the left-hand panel. You should see a name field there. This is the place where the display name is stored, and it's what others will see when interacting with the character. Click inside that box to start editing. Go ahead and type the new name you want. Aim for something clear, easy to read, and true to the character's identity. Avoid overly long names or characters that might not render well. If your character has an established persona or theme, try to reflect that tone in the name so it stays consistent with how the character behaves. After you've entered the new name, locate the Save button. Click Save to confirm the change. Give it a moment to process. You may see a small confirmation or a subtle visual update on the screen indicating the change has been applied. If you don't immediately see the new name everywhere, a quick page refresh usually helps the interface catch up. That's it. You've searched for Talkie AI, opened the site, entered the creation area, selected your character, updated the name field on the left panel, and saved your changes. Now your character will appear under the new name wherever it's used. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your Talkie AI experience.